thank you for the question. As a starter, as someone who's doing this industry, syempre, I feel very grateful. First of all, to be part of the show on Vibe. It's very exciting. It's a very exciting variety show project for TV Vibe. And I'm also very happy and excited for yung mga artists natin, especially mga OPM artists. Diba? Kasi sila yung na-highlight ng variety show na to. And maliban na sa mga established artists, yung mga baguhan din sa mga gumagawa ng OPM music. It's a great opportunity for them to share their stories, through music, through performing, and this show is gonna help out a lot of artists. And yun po ang abangan nyo na TV tayo. Bye.
First time mo ba mag-host?
Yes po, for a variety show, yes po.
Ayun, ang sino yung mga nililook forward mo na stars na mag-invite or mag-interview sa Vibe?
Interview, well, lately I've been listening to a lot of yung mga genre nila, Earl, nila Arthur, nila Adi. So, interesting siya if I'll be doing an interview with them, mga jocks, mga co-jocks. And kasi yung mga ginagawa ko sa last one is similar to that genre. So, it will be very interesting to interview those types of artists. But of course, lahat naman kami open to interview varieties of genres, which is very interesting din sa lahat ng audience namin. Parang they get some knowledge and some about yung mga behind the scenes or processes nila as an artist.
So, last question, wala kayo nag-drop sa show. Ikaw, anong klaseng vibe or persona ba yung i-bring mo in the record for this show?
Right? Well, kanya-kanya kasi kami, we all have different personalities. Lahat po kami, may kanya-kanya kulit, lahat kami masayahin. So, as much as possible, syempre, we want like to be very energetic, playful, and, you know, talagang makikita namin yung mga personality ng bawat artist. So, ako siguro, be more, energetic and relatable sa audience. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much. I have another question. Thank you so much. My job, Dylan. We have you one front.
Hey, my congratulations everyone. Sige, may question for you. Ano daw ba yung sunod-sunod kasi dapat Yes. Yes. Kasi ikaw you started with being a host. And then your career was shaped by the goals of the audience. Kaya alam mo where you are right now. Paano mo i-relate yung experience with what will happen?
So, ako tayo tungkol sa Pasko So, okay, how can I relate to here? I guess back then I had the opportunity to use the fans who voted for me, but now we're also going to give to the fans who will vote for their favorite open artists now, so they can be showcased for our show. At ipakita nila yung mga talent nila, just like the way I did it before. So now we're giving them a new opportunity to showcase their talent, their music through our show. And I'm sure there's so many great OPM artists, especially mga bata ngayon, galing nila, talino nila, sobrang talented nila, and then now this platform is for them.
So ano ba to? Like, will you have also like the jobs of the opportunity to perform alongside with the artists that will be voted? Or parang hindi ko kasi yung pwede yung makadulat eh. Ano ba?
Tama naman. I guess, depende din sa schedule ng mga artists who are available sa for our show. At kung sino man yung vibe na available din. We get a chance to perform with them, either through singing, dancing, or other form of performance that I have. So, again, it's a collaborative performance with them. It's a nice way to get to know and be with the artist.
And lastly, as a vibe job, what do you want to discover about yourself in entering this kind of job?
Para sa akin naman, this is a new experience for me. Totally, is to be hosting a among these maybe 5 jobs. Back then I used to do it for online shows, stuff like that. But now it's gonna be one of the biggest shows here in TV5. And I'm excited to do that with these guys right now. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much. Alright. Joel, we have 1 year, sir.
Wow. Yeah. My question, of course, is for Maxi. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have. This is pretty big for a person like you. Not just because you're representing, of course, a community, but you're also doing this. I mean, you're the first one to ever do this. So parang gano'n. Does it make you more of have a responsibility na to represent it well, lalo na medyo kakaiba itong work na ginagawa?
I don't feel like it is my responsibility. I feel like I'm more on proud na meron someone from my community to represent them. And I feel like sobrang bakit, sobrang kainin pa production. Meron just good na someone from the community to represent the representative position. Yeah.
What kind of host are you now that you're going to be part of this program? Of course. But are you going to be in drag like full time? Is that what's going to happen?
Sometimes mag-drag po ako, sometimes as single. Sometimes may mga parang po kasi nadulog na talaga ako. Tulad na yun, tulog ako na dapat next week, check. Pero may mga things po na ako, depende po sa program,
For that specific day. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you po!
Thank you, Madam Maxi. Next question. Anyone here?
For our favorite, since kayo yung may matagal na experience sa brand, ano yung sabi na difference sa brand shows?
Comment po ba yun kung sa ito?
Well, comment regarding vibe, yes, this year actually, for the 10 years anniversary of hashtag, we were launched sa Showtime, we were launched 10 years ago. So, yes, Ian Paolo, we have experience, along with Anna, of course, may experience with hosting Showtime and online, handled by Serene actually, of course. So, it's going to be a little similar, but vibe is an entirely different piece. Iba siya sa nakasanayan namin before. Medyo nagpipigil kami, oh guys, this is a bit more, a bit more upscale. This is a bit more special. Kasi syempre, ang namin guests na medyo 16, medyo mas tayo, dito, more artsy. More on the art side tayo. Not so much on the showbiz anymore. Medyo more on that. Highlight naman.
Yun, kahit pa parang sabi niyo, experience ka rin talaga. Pero sa part ko naman, ang experience ko kasi before na online. So, ito by different sa akin kasi first time ko mag-post talaga na TV post. So, for sure naman nagkakaroon sa akin, pero at least before nag-practice na rin namin kahit pa. And ang work naman din namin iba rin talaga was about to promote OP and marketing.
For everyone, curious na kasi medyo iba kayo from drag, yung mga